Hi, it's Wesley with Expandacraft, and I'm going to go over the folding deck. This particular folding deck is for the standard width. You can also order it in a wide glide. The standard width, the decking is 18 inches. With the wide glide, it's 2 feet. With the standard, you can use a regular kayak seat, or you can use a stadium seat. Very inexpensive, depends on your seat preference. I also, on the wide glide, would maybe put my swiveling seat that's on a pedestal, because the wide glide is just that stable. Maybe wouldn't take it out in open water, waves side to side, but for fishing and photographs, I would use that. I want to show you how quickly this takes down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I just disconnect my kayak seat from the things, fold them in neat and tidy. Up goes this. I would have a dagger board or a rudder on there. Don't right now. And keep in mind that this is a rental. This one's 15 years old. And I'm not sure exactly how much it weighs. I'll have to put that in the description later. Again, because I've had this one for 15 years together. Still going strong. This is starboard, nearly indestructible. And if you'll notice, I have a stand-up paddle. I have a stand-up paddle because you can stand up on the standard quite easily. I know it's a lot better than any kayak on the market. I've seen some folks standing up saying, oh, I can stand up on my kayak. Yeah, well, you're 20 years old and a yoga instructor. You could probably stand up on a pencil. I can't do that on a kayak, but I can certainly do it on my Expandacraft. And the wide glide is nothing. I could stand up and do the jitterbug on my wide glide. And that's why I also like on the wide glide, I like the big seat because I have back issues. I'm an old guy. I can stand up easily because my knees are right about here. And so I get my feet up underneath me. I can even use my paddle to get up. I cannot get up from the bottom on this. I'm just too old and broken, I guess. But the idea is that if you have a folding deck, not only does it quickly you know, you can just take it away quickly, but you can get this into a smallest of cars. And you don't have to worry about it fitting. The one that's over there, you have the 6-foot aluminum plank. That's a standard as well, but it only is 6 feet long. And so if you don't have a 6-foot long passageway through your little car, then it makes a lot more sense to do it this way. Expandacraft.com, check us out. We got a lot more videos, and subscribe so that you can see the rest of them.